Welcome back to my channel. Techno Trend Zone. The wait is finally over? Or is it? For years, the photography community has been buzzing with rumors and speculation about one of the most anticipated compact camera comebacks in recent history. Sony's legendary pocket powerhouse, the RX100 series, may finally be making a return, and this could be a game-changer for enthusiasts and professionals alike. But with so much secrecy surrounding its release, what do we know? If you've been searching for the perfect compact camera that blends portability with DSLR quality performance, the Sony RX108 might just be your dream device. Before we dive into the latest leaks, rumors, and anticipated specs, don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. The RX100 Legacy. Redefining compact cameras. The RX100 series has been the gold standard for premium compact cameras since its introduction in 2012. Over the years, Sony has pushed the boundaries of what's possible in a pocket-sized camera, catering to photographers who demand high-quality images without the bulk of a mirrorless or DSLR system. The last model, the RX107, released in 2019, was an impressive feat of engineering. With a lightning-fast autofocus, a versatile zoom range, and superb image processing, it became a favorite among travel photographers, vloggers, and hybrid content creators. But after nearly 6 years of silence, Sony appears ready to return with an upgraded model that could once again dominate the compact camera market. Why has Sony waited so long? The past 6 years have seen significant shifts in photography technology. Smartphone cameras have dramatically improved, with AI-driven computational photography making them viable competitors to traditional cameras. Meanwhile, other brands have struggled to offer a compelling alternative to the RX100 series, leading many to wonder if the compact camera market still has a place in the industry. However, Sony's decision to continue the RX100 line suggests they see untapped potential. According to insiders, the company has been completely rethinking what a compact camera should be in today's landscape. Rather than a simple refresh, the RX108 could bring major innovations to reclaim its throne as the ultimate pocket-sized powerhouse. RX108 expected features and upgrades. Sensor and image processing. Rumors suggest the RX108 will retain a 20.1 MP 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, but with significant architectural improvements. Sony is likely pairing it with their latest Bionz XR processor, promising enhanced low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and superior noise reduction. This new processing power could mean better detail retention and smoother performance in challenging conditions. If the leaks are true, we're looking at a sensor that performs up to 2 stops better in low light compared to the RX107. Lens and optical enhancements. The RX108 is expected to maintain the 24 to 200 mm equivalent zoom range with an f/2.8-4.5 aperture. While some users hoped for a wider constant aperture, engineering limitations in a compact body make this a difficult feat. However, Sony is rumored to have introduced new optical elements that reduce chromatic aberration, improve sharpness across the frame, and enhance edge-to-edge clarity. This means that even at the telephoto end, you can expect crisper details and minimal distortion. Video capabilities. A vlogger's dream? One of the biggest potential upgrades lies in video recording. The RX108 is rumored to offer 4K 60 frames per second video recording, Full HD 240 frames per second slow-motion video, active steady shot stabilization. Imagine you're vlogging while hiking through a scenic trail or capturing fast-moving street action. This camera could deliver cinematic-level stabilization and clarity without needing a bulky rig. Connectivity and workflow improvements. Content creators will appreciate the expanded connectivity options, including USB-C with charging support, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for quick file transfers, direct smartphone integration for instant uploads. This makes it easier than ever to capture, edit, and share your content without waiting until you get back to your PC. Low light and ISO performance. An ISO range of 100 to 12,800 might not sound groundbreaking, but sources indicate that Sony has made significant noise reduction improvements. If true, this could mean cleaner images in low-light conditions, making it a go-to choice for street photographers and travelers who often shoot in dim environments. Battery life. A much-needed boost? Compact cameras have historically struggled with battery life, but the RX108 may finally address this issue. Reports suggest a 30% improvement in power management, meaning you can capture more shots and footage without constantly swapping batteries. Price and release date. The big question: how much will it cost? Industry analysts predict a launch price of around $1,300, placing it firmly in the premium compact category. While this is about $100 more than its predecessor, the combination of better processing, enhanced video features, and improved connectivity could make it a worthwhile investment for photographers and content creators alike. As for the release date, multiple sources point to a mid-2025 announcement, likely aligning with a major photography trade show. If Sony follows its typical schedule, we could see the RX108 hitting the market by the summer of 2025. Is the RX108 the ultimate compact camera? With smartphones continuously improving and mirrorless cameras becoming more versatile, some might question whether compact cameras still have a place in today's market. However, Sony's commitment to the RX100 series suggests they believe there is still demand for a dedicated camera that prioritizes image quality, manual control, and portability. So, will the Sony RX108 reclaim the compact camera crown, or will it struggle to compete in an ever-evolving industry? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Will this be your next pocket-sized powerhouse, or are you holding out for something else? If you found this breakdown insightful, consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell for more in-depth tech coverage. Stay tuned to Techno Trend Zone for the latest camera updates and hands-on reviews. Until next time, keep capturing those moments and pushing the limits of what's possible with technology.